There are a lot of trucks out on the road, maybe even one you own yourself. But not all trucks are made equal, and nor are their hauls. Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo, where today we're looking at some of the biggest loads a truck can manage to pull. There's even a fuel tank for the space shuttle, so make sure you stay tuned. The FAYMONVILLE Group has been a leader in developing heavy and specific transport solutions. The modular axle lines designed by this company are used globally. For instance, an African transport company, MONPE, utilized the FAYMONVILLE axle lines to transport 6 power engines from Ghana port to Niger. The 210-axle twin FAYMONVILLE Module Max with trucks and goosenecks were selected to move 2 engines at once. The total distance was 1,285 kilometers, and the cargo went through 4 different countries: Ghana, Togo, Benin, and Niger. Getting the 219-ton giants to their final destination took several months of careful planning and route surveys. To ensure a safe passage, they have to study everything on the way, including border crossings, bridge structures, and tiny village roads. On top of that, innumerable power lines and other obstructions had to be removed for this delivery. BROSHUIS is a Netherlands-based company renowned for its innovative trailers. The company has built a unique type of trailer that is used to transport construction equipment. These trailers include an opening or recess in the cargo bed known as a wheel well, which allows the tires of big vehicles to be positioned lower, hence reducing the travel height. In addition to lowering the cargo bed, the wheel well is a great method for securing loads. The pits are created with an incline, making it extremely simple to enter and exit the wheel well. Additionally, an additional wheel well can be built by simply extending the trailer. PERKINS STC specializes in long-distance superload transportation services and has the know-how to face a variety of challenging situations. Last year, the company transported a steam generator over 1,500 kilometers across the mountains to its eventual location. The total weight of the shipment was about 400 tons. To deliver this heavy cargo safely to its destination, PERKINS STC used its dual 24-line trailers. A U-turn over a 6-lane highway had to be made along the route, which PERKINS STC completed safely and effortlessly. In 2018, PERKINS STC transported a monstrous load of 670,000 pounds in just 2 nights. It was transported to a Minnesota refinery. The overall dimensions of the load were 215 feet long, 21 feet wide, and 25 feet high, which is almost 2 times the height of a regular semi-truck, 3 times as wide as one, 4 times as long, and 5 times as heavy. It was enormous, but there were enough tires under it to make the pounds per square inch be no more than a regular permitted load. Over the last several decades, SPEDITION KÜBLER GmbH has transformed from a regional haulage contractor to a worldwide logistics service provider in the heavy products industry. The company provides cutting-edge solutions for customized and heavy-duty transport. In 2019, SPEDITION KÜBLER was tasked with delivering gas turbines through the urban areas of German city Munich. Although they had the experience of transporting similar turbines, the current urbanization created the demand for extended examination and better equipment. Firstly, they studied around 50 bridges, underground car parks, subway stations, and underground shopping arcades for their load-bearing capacity. The pruning took 14 working days. As a precaution, tree trimming was extended over the whole path for 14 days, and around 750 no parking signs were erected. SPEDITION KÜBLER GmbH used its best employees and equipment to make this challenging task successful. The FELBERMAYR Group is a worldwide construction and transportation enterprise. The company has 26 subsidiaries in 78 sites throughout 18 European nations. It has created special wind vane adapters to carry long rotor blades by road. These can swivel the carried wind blade to 10 degrees and erect them to 70 degrees. The operator can control both the horizontal and vertical angles with a remote controller. In addition to that, sensors for detecting inclination, rotation angle, and wind speed come standard with this wind vane adapter. These features allow the transporters to deliver these blades through routes in high-altitude construction sites, tight curve radii, and alpine terrain with steep inclines. These wind vane adapters can be mounted on THP axles as well as SPMTs. Omega Morgan is a privately owned business situated in Hillsboro, Oregon. It has expertise in heavy lifting, crane and rigging services, and equipment installations. In 2016, the company took the responsibility of transporting the CDR3 drilling rig from its point of manufacture, which is the Columbia Business Center in Vancouver, Washington, to load it on a barge. A heavy haul Jeep was put in place with a hydraulic power pack for extended steering capability. They used steel plates placed on the way for safety and protection purposes. All components were placed by backing onto the barge. National Group is a leading mining services company in Australia. National Group is Australia's top mining services provider. The company has been supplying heavy earth-moving equipment and comprehensive mining services to the world's leading resource corporations for over 2 decades. In 2018, it had to deliver 5 Liebherr T282Cs, the world's second largest dump truck, to BHP's Peak Downs mine site in central Queensland. To transport it along the road, it was decided to remove its wheels before traveling. Then a road rail powered by 2 powerful trucks is used to carry it. The police escorted this beast throughout its journey. From Mackay to Peak Downs, this mission was completed by conducting 5 separate trips throughout September and October. KAMAG is known for transporting heavy-duty equipment. Here KAMAG, with its special equipment carrier, 2 intercom bi-trailers, and trucks, is carrying a 150-ton slab transporter to a steel mill in the Belgian city of Ghent. The slab transporters are used in steel mills to handle 900-degree hot steel slabs. The overall length of the conveyance was 71 meters, and the overall weight of the carrier was around 360 tons. It is one of the most impressive heavy transports that the Danube Valley has ever witnessed. EMMERT International is a specialized heavy transportation and rigging company based in Clackamas, Oregon. In the spring of 2016, EMMERT International began Mission 26, a challenging task to transport a 66,000-pound space shuttle fuel tank to its destination. The tank traveled 4,400 miles and passed through the Panama Canal on its one-month journey. The total trek through LA was only 16.5 miles, but the streets of LA are not known for being friendly to small cars, let alone a 65,000-pound fuel tank. EMMERT used its interlocked and 4-dolly system to move it to the destination securely. If you're enjoying this content so far, make sure you subscribe to see more like it. Modular trailers are used to transport huge loads. However, unlike SPMTs, they cannot operate independently. Typically, a tractor or vehicle is used to pull them. Combined units are sometimes referred to as road rails. The BEELEN group paired a notebook trailer with a Volvo FH750 for this cargo. The integration of these two marvels has made the transportation service much easier and faster. BEELEN Group is largely reliant on them. The quick delivery of the loaded excavator is indicative of BEELEN Group's genuine potential. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you check out one of these two for more cool machinery. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.